In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wedding invitations on Canva. First, open Canva and use the search bar to type wedding invitation. This pulls up a gallery of templates in a range of styles: classic, modern, rustic, floral, and more, so you can quickly see what fits your event's vibe. Browsing templates is a great way to get layout ideas, even if you plan to customize heavily. When you find a look that matches your theme, click it to start editing. Prefer complete creative control? Choose a blank design so you can build everything from scratch at your own pace. Either way, you'll be working on a single canvas with layers you can edit as needed. Now personalize the text. Click any text box and replace the placeholder details with your names, the date and time, the venue, and RSVP information. As you type, refine the typography, use an elegant script for names and a readable serif or sans serif for the details. Adjust font sizes, colors, and letter spacing to create a clear hierarchy. For easy reading, keep strong contrast between text and background, and avoid squeezing too much onto one line. Next, add visuals. If you have engagement photos, upload them and drag them into your design. You can also browse Canva stock images for a complementary photo. For decoration, open Elements and search for flowers, greenery, or wedding rings to find graphics, icons, borders, or delicate line art. Stick to a cohesive palette by sampling colors from your photo or choosing tones that match your theme. Fine-tune the layout. Use drag and drop to move, resize, and rotate elements until everything feels balanced. Try different background colors or apply a subtle photo background. Lower the transparency if needed so your text stays legible. As you arrange items, watch for the pink alignment guides. They help keep headings centered and spacing consistent. Leave comfortable margins so important details won't get trimmed when printed. When your design looks polished, click Share or Download in the top right. Choose your file type. PDF print is best for high-quality, crisp results. Print directly through Canva Print, or download the file to send digitally or take to a local print shop. If you'll be printing at home, use sturdy cardstock and run a single test print before the full batch. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.